Yes, I do enjoy here with one more video, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing. Something that is maybe my third biggest passion after languages, martial arts, which is guitar. And today I got a new overdrive pedal called ZEUS, which is in the style of the KLONE. Personally, I started, yeah, let's open this as I keep on talking. So I started, when I started guitar, I used to have tube screamer pedals, and then I switched to blues breaker, and now I into the KLONE zone. So this is a KLONE. Can we open this? What is this so difficult to open? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, like this is easier. Yeah. All right, so that's it. That's what I needed. So the ZEUS overdrive from TC Electronic, which is a maker from Denmark, if I'm not wrong. As I said, this is a KLONE, and this is maybe the most affordable, because I was thinking of getting a J Audio Rocket Archer, but it's pretty expensive. So also consider the way huge conspiracy, I think, but it's also expensive. So this was the cheapest I could afford. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's get into it right away. So ZEUS, pretty simple: treble, drive, volume. It has a kind of a switch here to change the mode to a fat mode. I think it uses a germanium diode. I don't know what it is, but anyway, so that's it. Oops, I dropped something here. Oh, sorry about this. So just a control. Yeah. So 7. Yeah, boosts low frequencies and reshapes the mids, giving a fatter tone. Yeah, mids. So it boosts the mids. It's could be interesting. Yep. So that's it. Pretty brand new. It's a very it's pretty small, which is helpful. Also has this the jack. DC jack is on top, which is useful. We're gonna put it now. Let's open this. Yeah, it's pretty small, as you can see here. Yeah. Which is very helpful. Just a sticker from TC Electronics. This is very useful because I'm gonna put it in a very small place. I was struggling for space, and let's look right away. When I'm gonna put it. I'll be back in a moment when I get ready to put it on the pedal board. Okay, I'm back here. So I just prepared a space for the ZEUS, and I'm glad that it has a perfect space. Also including the fact that the C jack is on top. So I mean the input is on top, so I won't need the next space. So it's gonna go here. Okay, and yeah, it's gonna go as the first stage overdrive, or just a boost overdrive, clean boost to the Pantheon, which is a blues breaker type pedal. Because as I said, so I get sick of a TS9 type because it boosts the mids too much. Okay, so it's here, and from here to the tuner, and I'm ready to rock. So I'm gonna make a video. Let me play a little with it, and can make a kind of a review. So yeah, it's here. Oh, I'm all set with the ZEUS. I'm pretty happy with the price, and I've watched some videos. Apparently, has a very good cost performance. It's a very cheap pedal, but despite that, it offers a solid sound, and I'm gonna enjoy boosting my overdrive, fuzz, and distortion with kind of a treble boost, which is the reason why I love this pedal. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like. Please consider subscribing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.